When a character is animated, often when it is about to move, you want it to have some kind of indication that it knows that it's about to move. And this is called anticipation. Now, we have our volunteer here. This is Bob D. Blob. Say hi, Bob. How you doing? We're going to have Bob show us what anticipation looks like in an animation. So let's go ahead and set Bob up. I'll resize him just a little tiny bit here. And we're going to have him move from this side of the screen to this side. So I'm going to go ahead and press F6 on frame 15. And then we're going to move him over. And then we're going to go ahead now and add our motion tween. So let's see what this looks like. I'll press enter on the keyboard and we see him moving. Now, there is no indication that he's ready to move. He just simply moves. There is no anticipation. So let's see what anticipation looks like. Well, if he's going to move, he would have some kind of jerk in his motion so he can get up to speed to actually start to move. If you're sitting in your chair and you're about to get up, you don't just spring up. You kind of put your arms on the chair, you kind of put your back to the back a little bit of the chair and spring yourself up using the momentum to get out of the chair. So we need to do the same thing here. So Bob on frame 1 is going to kind of get ready to move like this. And then maybe on frame 3, I'll add another keyframe. And we'll go ahead and jerk him this way so he can actually start to move. So here he is rocking and now he's moving. And of course, when he comes to the end of his movement, he should do the opposite. And he's going to come to rest. So he's finished his momentum. He's going to rock a little bit. And then about 2 frames later, he'll settle into his final position. So when we're finished, we'll press return again or enter. And you get a more realistic motion. So he anticipates the motion, he rocks back a little bit, and then when he comes to the end of his animation, he settles in. Anticipation can add more realism to your character's motions because it shows that they are about to do something consciously. So if a character is about to run from somebody who is chasing them, you might wish them to dip down a little bit just to get the muscles enough energy to spring into action. So, study motion, watch how animals jump on things like a cat. When you have a cat and it jumps on top of the TV, it's going to lower itself a little bit to give the muscles enough energy, enough spring to get up in the air. So just study real life and get a feel for anticipation, and it will bring just a little bit more panache to your animations.